Hey there, everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Lesa. Today, we are making friendship tea mix. This is a great mix for a hot beverage. It is so delicious, and it will be perfect for the holidays and the upcoming winter months. It is also the perfect hot tea mix to give as a gift. This recipe is so easy. The hardest part about it is to not drink it all. You're going to start with 1 package of Kool-Aid lemonade. You're going to put a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 cup of Tang instant orange drink mix, and 2 cups of Lipton iced tea lemon flavor that is sweetened. And then you're going to use about 1.5 cups, or I use the entire bag of these Red Hots, and you will want to smash them up. I used a rolling pin to do this, and I ultimately had to put it on the floor. I was afraid I would crack my granite, so be very careful there. But you want to break up the Red Hots and crush them up and then add them to your drink mix. I will have all the ingredients and the recipe listed in the description box below for your convenience. There are a lot of variations and recipes for this friendship tea mix. This is just one version that I had the ingredients for and decided to make for you today. It is also sometimes called Russian tea. Once you have all your ingredients in your mixing bowl, toss it up really well so that it is blended. You'll want to add 3 teaspoons of your friendship tea mix to a mug. You can add more or less of your mix depending on your preference. Carefully top it off with hot boiling water and then stir it until your Red Hots are dissolved. Store your drink mix in a tightly sealed jar or plastic storage bag. You can transfer it to a decorative container and gift it to your friends since it is a friendship tea. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful recipe. I am so glad that you each joined me for what I hope is a new to you friendship tea recipe. Let me know down in the comments below if this is something that you have ever made or think you would enjoy. I always appreciate it when you hit that thumbs up, and go ahead and smash that subscribe bar and join the Uniquely Lesa family. I would love to have you and see you back here for a future upload. I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.